It is moving into western New York tonight, and by tomorrow morning, it could be messing with your commute. 20 days out from Christmas, we're getting another round of snow. Good evening, I'm Mary Alice Demler.
And hello, everyone. I'm Scott Levin. A lot of the area will be under a winter weather advisory come later tonight, and Maria Gennaro joins us now to time it all out for us. How you doing, Maria?
Yeah, we are definitely going to be white once again. We do have some snow right now, Scotty, that's making its way into Chautauqua County that I want to talk about before I get into the advisories, because a special weather statement has been issued for this band of lake effect snow, which is now moving in throughout Hanover, Dunkirk, and all the way down Route 5. So if you are now beginning to make your commute, give yourself some extra time. This is fast moving. By about 6 o'clock, it will be out of here, but during that period, it's going to be difficult driving conditions throughout southern Erie into Chautauqua County. Now, what we're talking about for tomorrow, which will be affecting the metro area and points north, is this winter weather advisory. Right now, everyone is under this advisory except for Niagara, Orleans, and Allegheny County. It goes into effect for northern Erie and Genesee County from midnight tonight right on through until 7 p.m. tomorrow. That's where we could pick up 4 to 7 inches of snow. But for southern Erie, Wyoming, Chautauqua, and Cattaraugus County, it goes into effect at 9 tonight, all the way through till 6 o'clock Friday morning. And I want to show you why. This is an overall view of the band that's going to set up roughly about 5:30, 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Watch as it moves north, and then continues a little further north, and then starts to make its way down to the south. 2 o'clock in the afternoon is going to be difficult here in Buffalo. And then it continues down to the south, and that's where it will settle and stay right on through, which is why they'll see higher snowfall totals, which is why the advisory lasts a little bit longer. But I want to follow this band and go hour by hour for you. So tomorrow morning it sets up at about 6, makes its way north to about Medina, stretching all the way down to Buffalo till about 11 o'clock in the morning. Now watch what happens. It starts to make its way further south, but it starts to intensify. We really start to see this band really pick up steam from Buffalo. Now it's really hitting into Hamburg, Wasenica, Lackawanna. It will then continue to make its way south through East Aurora, now shifting over into Angola, and then continue south at about 5 o'clock in the evening. Conditions will improve for us here in Buffalo, but that's when it settles down throughout the southern tier and continues to bring in additional snowfall. So we're going to go over the city-by-city snowfall map, what we're expecting here in the city and points north and south when we come back with a full forecast in just a few moments. Back to you.
Thank you, Maria. And of course, they're getting ready for the snow here in Buffalo to keep the commute as smooth as it can be tomorrow. Mayor Byron Brown says the city has 7,000 tons of salt ready to start the winter, along with 70 plows, 3 of them new this year. The city also wants to remind people how important it is to follow parking rules overnight so they can get snow off the roads for drivers and especially first responders.